Welcome back to our channel, Phrase S, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI, and uncovering its incredible potential and impact on our lives. Prior to commencing, kindly ensure you subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay informed and never overlook any updates. Let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines and systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include problem-solving, learning, reasoning, and decision-making. Types of AI. Here are two primary types of AI: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks like voice assistants, and general AI, which has human-level intelligence and can perform a wide range of tasks. Currently, we mostly have narrow AI, but general AI remains a long-term goal. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. It's what powers recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles, and even virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. Real-world application AI is already making a significant impact in various industries. It's being used in healthcare for early disease detection, in finance for fraud detection, in transportation for autonomous vehicles. Ethical considerations. With great power comes great responsibility. AI raises important ethical concerns, such as bias in algorithms, job displacement, and privacy issues. It's crucial that we address these concerns to ensure AI benefits society as a whole. The future of AI. The future of AI is incredibly exciting. We can expect more advancements in natural language processing, robotics, and AI-driven creativity. AI will continue to reshape industries and improve our daily lives. AI in pop culture. AI has always been a popular theme in movies and literature. From the friendly AI like R2-D2 in Star Wars to the menacing HAL 9000 in 2001, A Space Odyssey, it's clear that AI captures our imagination and sparks discussions about its implications. Conclusion. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize how we live and work. It's essential to embrace AI responsibly, addressing its challenges and maximizing its benefits. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the world of AI. If you discovered this video to be enlightening, kindly show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.